Okay, I'm gonna show you how to change the battery here on this LG phone. Hey, this is just a phone that they gave us when we purchased our iPhone, so it's just a cheap phone. And I've had it for about, maybe 5-6 years. But you notice, if you look over here in the corner, it says 2%. And I've had this thing charging for 2 days. Different chargers, the house outlet, my truck outlet, also on my side-by-side outlet, and the most it was get is 2%, so I got to keep it plugged in. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change this battery. And if you want to purchase one of the batteries, just look in the description below. So first I'm gonna unplug it and I'm gonna power this thing off. As you can see, you probably could barely see it. The screen, it just says the battery is 2%, and the screen darkens because it's trying to save the battery life. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this thing off, power it off. And what you do, you look around this thing. I got this little slot right here. As you can see, that little slot. A lot of people say don't do this, but I just take a knife or a screwdriver, whatever, and start prying this thing apart. I don't have any fingernails, so it ain't gonna work for me, fingernails. I'm just an old country boy. So you just take this and just keep going around, and you'll hear it start clicking apart. You see what it looks like? But here's the battery. This is LG battery, and if you got fingernails, just take it and pull it out. And that's it. This is what this battery looks like. And like I said, you could purchase one of these in the description below. And when you get your new battery, only thing you have to do is, you see right here, and you see this part right here, just push it in, click that in, take your case and put it back on, and you hear it click in spot in place. And then just turn it on. Hey, and I put the same old battery in, so it wasn't actually the battery. Maybe it wasn't sitting in there right, but when I put that old battery, took it out and put it back in, now it's got a 99% charge. So you saw before it had 2%, but once I took that battery out, powered it off, and took the battery out and put it back in, it's fully charged now. So I don't have to get a new battery. So maybe you guys try this. Just take the battery off and put it back in. All right, and thanks for watching Welding and Stuff, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.